To check your transaction history on Kraken, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform and access your past transactions easily. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Ensure you have two-factor authentication enabled for added security. Step 2. Navigate to the Reports section. Once logged in, look for the Reports option in the main menu. This section contains various tools for tracking your trading activity and transaction history. Step 3. Select Transaction History. In the Reports section, find and click on Transaction History. This will display a detailed list of all your transactions, including deposits, withdrawals, and trades. Step 4. Customize your date range. To find specific transactions, use the Date Range filter. Set the start and end dates to narrow down the transactions you want to view. Step 5. Export your transaction history. If you need to keep a record or analyze your transactions further, look for the Export option. You can download your transaction history as a CSV file for easy access and management. By following these steps, you can officially check your transaction history on Kraken. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you stay informed about your trading activities.